My neighbors are definitely gonna love me after today. So I'm about to head out to my friend's house and we're gonna be working on the GT550i today, so I'll see you guys there. It is insanely foggy today. I can barely see like 20 feet past the side of the road. This is crazy. Some lovely Maryland weather for you. I see a tunnel and go. This is a crazy shot with this fog. It's just like creepy almost. It's pretty cool though. So we're actually pulling up to John's house first to pick up the quick lifts, and then we are going to head over to Evan's house to do the actual install.
It's laid back. So I was like, no, I don't want to drop it.
Good thing the snow's there.
You don't mind if these get a little wet, right?
Yeah, they're fine.
These things are heavy.
Work, my slaves.
And we'll probably keep the other thing in the front, the pump.
Yeah.
Struts.
Alright, so we got the lifts and now it's time to head to Evan's house. So I'll see you guys there. Can I pull in?
That's good.
Right there?
We don't want to go too far. Is it past the door though? Yeah. Alright. Give it a little rev. It's gonna be so loud.
So we're getting all of the lifts set up right now and we're about to get started.
Oh hell yeah. Alright. I think it'll be fine.
Alright, so we think we have everything lined up, so it's time to go up.
Do you have a little piece? Actually, do you have a little piece of wood?
A piece of wood, yeah, you want some?
So we're starting with taking off the air boxes.
Whack it,
Fry it.
I will say, Jackson, you're like not leaking any oil.
I know. It was driven by grandma for 90,000 miles.
I just whacked it off a little more. This thing's pretty freaking long. There you go. Sweet.
Was it really?
Maybe. Dude, that was way easier. And this just pops. Making me hot? Yeah, a little bit. Let's get it right out. Ooh. Alright, sensor is off. This should just come out, but it's probably not going to.
Stuck right here.
Oh yeah, there we go. Thank you, I wasn't there for like 25 more minutes.
You know how I know these things?
Because you've done them.
Because I've been in that situation many times before. Did you know I took?
Yeah, almost like 90% of them.
I was like,
Hey man, you got any gloves, bro? You just put like thick gloves on it won't be hot.
Oh,
that was my wrist, bud. Flathead.
Oh, it needs to pull straight up past this bar because there's like a little section right there.
I need flathead. That's just.
yeah. This will work. It's
like if Colby was a screwdriver. It's just all I know.
Grab me one of those things so I can grab it.
What do you want to
just
grab?
one of the rags, so I don't get my hand melted.
You know what? I think I'm gonna do the same thing. Now that you said
You guys
that.
are very smart.
Just
start ripping it.
It's hot under there.
Oh my god. Look at those.
Look at those bad boys.
Look at those, dude. I'm gonna lose like 500 pounds.
What's that other heat shield gonna be like?
Yeah, you
probably
gotta,
sell
those aren't too hard to get out. There's a
really?
bolt straight down in the back, and then I think a couple like on each side.
All right, let's get those.
Check your waist gators. Perfecto mundo. Where's the breaker bar at?
Right.
We should start a car pyramid scheme. It's like
I think it's the other way.
Yeah, other way. Come on. Come on.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, don't you work? Don't you do this every day?
Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes I'm just.
You just do tires and stuff. You got a big ratchet?
Yeah.
There we go. Use that.
Oh, very nice, Matko. I only paid $18 for this because I'm a scam artist.
Yeah, down, right? Yeah.
Hey, bro.
Oh, it's already loose?
No, it didn't. It's not even on the
I can't
socket.
film and socket at the same time.
There we go.
Chop over the blade. Now you're chilling.
Yeah, you're in the way.
My battery's
Dude, no, we gotta disconnect this. Who didn't?
Huh?
We gotta.
Now pull it off. Beautiful.
There we go.
Yeah, they're good.
Where's my phone at?
So in there, so.
That too.
We'll
Do not drop.
Don't worry about that.
Beautiful.
Is it just this top one that you need off?
I think so. Maybe that. We might need the bottom one too.
We got it. Should he pull? No. Okay.
Is this loose?
Ah! I got it. Pull it. Pull it out. Pull it out, I got it. Someone's pull it. Ah!
That's how I thought it would be. Just in case.
Rotate it to your left.
My
Rotate
left.
it.
Which
Rotate it.
driver's side left or the other left?
Your left.
Your left.
My left.
How do you know which way he's facing?
All right, guys, we just got the downpipe out. It took us at least an hour just for this, but
I want to die.
You need
But-
to twist it,
finally.
and then you work a pry bar in here, like pulling it up like that against the seam weld.
While you just pull the ever living crap out of it,
Yeah.
you just rip while someone pry
Shove this
bars.
thing in here and rip that.
Yeah, and you have to twist it really early because if not, it just gets stuck on absolutely
You
everything.
get stuck on the transfer case, the heat shield, just everything.
Yeah.
Awful.
All right, guys, another moment of truth.
This is how it came
Oh
out.
my gosh.
You gotta twist it early with a screwdriver through it. Go like wham.
Through the top. This little thing.
Put the screwdriver in here.
Put the screwdriver in, facing the inside of the car, so when you twist it this way, it doesn't get stuck.
Because you're
on
fighting the little bracket
firewall.
on the bottom.
And this little bracket right here gets stuck on the trans, and then this ends up getting stuck on the trans, as you can see it by
All
the
right,
scratches.
so they're officially out now. Time to put in the new ones.
Oh, dude, it went like here.
Oh, because they don't have the brackets on it. But
Look at that. Look at how easy that was.
oh my god.
Spicy, boy. That's good enough.
As you guys can see, these are extremely restrictive and very heavy. So not only are we gonna drop a little bit of weight, it's gonna have a lot less restriction. So it's gonna be sweet.
It snapped inside of it. So we're gonna have to find another bolt.
Yeah, we're gonna heat that up and pull it out.
Is that hole there? No way!
Nice.
Now we weld a nice old nut on that bad boy. I had one over here.
Sweet.
Right on top of it. We could probably drill that out.
How did that land in there,
Oh my
dude?
god.
How did that happen?
Yep, let's just drill out the hole so it's nice and clean.
Where's the drill at? There you go.
Perfect. Did we make sure to line it up?
I tried to.
Perfect.
It's going in. It's just a little dirty on the inside.
Look at that. Yeah, we'll
Once we,
Bet.
torque it down.
Jesus Christ, dude, that's scary.
Right
I've
in
had
the
a hood fall on my head before.
Bet that hurt.
Of course it hurt, man. What do you think?
Oh, did you line up the bottom
It
too?
should be.
Yeah, it probably the exhaust probably just
Well, he wants to
work
start
over it.
open downpipe anyway.
True.
Alright, you want to start it?
Yeah.
It might throw a code because there's no O2 sensors in it.
Yeah.
Let's put the O2 sensors in it so it's not shooting the exhaust out the top.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, let's get all that put together.
This is open downpipe.
Oh yeah, oh that's gonna be loud as hell.
You ready?
Yeah.
Dude, that is so loud. Are you gonna rev it?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds so good, dude.
Nasty.
All right,
Not too much.
that's crazy.
It's fine. There you go.
Alright, she's tight. Alright, so this is the first start with the exhaust all lined up.
That's pretty damn loud.
What's rattling so much? What was that?
Your injectors probably.
That sounds good. Oh, that sounds so good. Oh! That sounds so good.
So, when are we all cruising?
Oh my gosh, the turbo sounds so good.
Oh my god.
No way!
Dude, that feels weird.
That pulls harder.
That
That
feels
pulls
fast.
harder.
Hold on, wait till I'm fully
This
warm.
thing sounds insane.
That's not even high RPM either. That's only like 3,500.
How is this stock too? What?
That's stupid, dude.
Hold on, we gotta get a fart.
Downshift.
We gotta get a fart.
Dude,
I gotta
going
get
through Brunswick like that? Oh my
Oh.
god.
Dude.
That is stupid.
Yo!
That is gunshots.
Yes, dude.
That is gunshots, dude. I swear. That is stupid. Dude, that pulls stupid hard. Pops for sheets.
Of course, there's a bridge right there.
I get straight after that.
Oh my god.
We got some pops in there.
Wow, you had everyone looking at you. Oh my gosh. That is stupid. That is dumb.
I love it.
That is wow. It was so see me so that guy turned around, he's like really? It's nuts.
So I know all you guys have been waiting for the comparison videos, so I'm going to take some new and old clips and put them back to back so you guys can see the real difference between how this thing sounds when it's, you know, performing and just driving. So enjoy. obnoxious. That is so obnoxious. And that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this helped you out in some way. If you guys like this, you know, of course, like the video, subscribe, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to comment and I will do my best to answer all of them. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video.